Okay, help me unbox these Better Sub 5-in-1. I got it from Amazon and it's color pink. It's my first time doing the heat press. I got the direct transfer film. I did not do any Cricut. I'm so lazy to do that.
It does
This
kind of
is
have a
the one
smell.
I
I think the
got
smell
a combo.
from, you know,
5-in-1. I got for mug, tumbler,
These.
cup, tagline, and the shirts.
No,
Let's
go
get
find
on to
it.
it. So, I got a Better Sub 5-in-1, and then we're trying to figure it out how to use it using the manual. And of course, I'm so lazy to read, so I'm just gonna look on YouTube, just like what I'm doing right now. So it comes with this. I think this is for the, I think you can use it for the hat or tagline. And I think this is for the plate or anything. And I think this is, I'm not sure what is this. And this is for the mug. I think for the mug, yes. And then of course, we have to do just set it up and whatsoever. It's kind of heavy. And then we tested it out for, I think we put a 3:30 and a 10 seconds, and this is our first one, and it did. I think it's a hat peel. Yeah, hat peel. So whatever. And I think, let me see. Yeah, it's still kind of, yes, I made it. And then we're gonna see. Okay. Let's see what comes with it. The Better Sub Heat Press 5-in-1. I got it from Amazon. So it comes with this. You don't sit on that. Now we're gonna continue learning how to do it. So there you go. I'm just gonna put the link below. So you can do for your shirt, for your hat, and mugs. And what is that noise, my love? This is how you set it up. And the plate, the cup, hat, and yes, well done. This is the first shirt that I made, direct film transfer. And this which needs coffee before any hocus pocus. Let's go. Then time to get up. Beep beep. Oh, oh my goodness. We gotta do the other ones. Okay. Yay. And let's do these. This is the only shirts I have. Do this. Trick or treat is smelly feet. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see. Okay, there you go. Trick or treat is smell your feet. What? I made this. I made that. I made all of this. I don't sell shirts, but I have the prints. Which one is your favorite?